Well, looks like I got company today. That's definitely not a bird up there. Okay, maybe if I just stay real quiet here. Oh, come on, just fly away already. This thing's definitely tracking me. Time for a change of scenery. Let's see how you like a little desert disco, metal bird. All right, one shot at this, gotta make it count. There we go. Privacy restored. Sometimes the old ways work best.
You know, I came out here for the solitude, and guess I got a little more adventure than I bargained for today. Well, folks, that's how you handle uninvited guests in Bigfoot territory. Sometimes you got to protect your privacy the old-fashioned way.